Hello, how you doing? Look, let's get this little beetroot salad with some chickpeas together. So I've got 3 cups here of cooked beetroots. I cubed them, you can see the shape they're in. And then I've got 2 cups of chickpeas. I used a can. If you're going to use a can, give them a nice little wash in some water. Now, the rest of the ingredients you can adjust how you want. I've got a little bit of tomato there. Then we're going to go with some green onions, scallions or spring onions, whatever you call them. Little bit of fresh mint. Now I like any fresh, kind of herb in here. It's up to you what you want to use. Little bit of salt, little bit of black pepper. You can add some other kind of spice to it if you want, maybe a little bit of chili powder or cumin maybe. That's up to you. I'm keeping it nice and simple today. Then I'm going to go with equal parts of lemon juice or lime juice and a nice quality olive oil. So easy. Give that a little mix. You can serve that. It's delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.